Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a lot different, and I'm going to be announcing my new gardening channel. I have promised you guys that those that have commented on my previous gardening videos to making more gardening videos. I didn't make any more because I didn't want to intermix the channel, my old channel, with the gardening, so I made a new channel. It's called Great Lakes Gardener, and as you see, I already have a couple of videos that I posted. These are all private because I just wanted to make them private. So this is the only one that's public. It's called Pumpkin Garden Update Part 1. It's the same one that was on my channel previously. So I'll start off um by uploading all of the old videos onto this channel, from my old channel onto this channel, and then I'll continue making new videos onto I'll continue to making new videos on this channel and posting them. So if you're watching this video, please go to this channel. Just I'll leave a link to it in the description box, and just click on subscribe, and please subscribe to the channel and view the video. So please guys, that would help me so much. And I have really nothing much to say. I might be making a video on the weather tomorrow or in a couple of days. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing to this channel and to this channel, Great Lakes Gardener. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next episode.